Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zoho Projects for task assignments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Zoho Projects in the address bar. Once on the Zoho Projects homepage, locate the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. Choose a secure password for your new account. Select your preferred plan from the available options. Click the Sign Up button to complete the account creation process. Once signed in, navigate to your project dashboard. Select the project where you want to assign tasks. Click on the Tasks tab in the Project menu. To create a new task, click on the Add Task button. Fill in the task details, including title, description, and due date. Assign the task to a team member by selecting their name from the drop-down menu. Set the priority level for the task if needed. Review all the information you have entered. Click the Save button to finalize the task creation. Your task is now successfully assigned. You can track your task's progress from the dashboard. Feel free to edit or update tasks as necessary. Return to the dashboard to manage your projects effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.